I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Shopify. This is one of the most important skills for managing your online store, especially when you're preparing for a sale, updating your product catalog, or reacting to market trends. Keeping your pricing accurate and flexible helps you stay competitive and ensures your customers always see the correct information. To get started, log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see the Products tab. Go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially the heart of your inventory. It's where all your items are listed, organized, and managed. If you're new to Shopify, take a moment to explore this page so you know where everything is located. Now you'll need to choose the product whose price you want to update. You can scroll through your entire product list, or if you have a lot of items, simply use the search bar to find it instantly. Once you locate the product, click on its name to open the details page. Inside the product details, you'll see multiple sections for editing information like the title, description, media, and of course, pricing. Scroll down until you reach the pricing section. This is where the main changes happen. You'll notice a field labeled price. This is the active selling price displayed to your customers. Click inside the box and type in the new price you want to use. It's really that simple. Shopify updates it in real time once you save, so make sure the number is exactly what you intend. If you're offering a discount or running a special promotion, you can use the Compare at Price field. This is a powerful marketing tool because it shows the original price crossed out and highlights your discounted price beside it. Customers immediately feel the value they're getting. Just enter the previous price in the Compare at Price field and Shopify will do the rest visually. Before you wrap up, always double check your numbers. It's easy to mistype a digit and small pricing errors can lead to customer confusion or unintended low pricing. Confirm everything looks exactly right. Once you're satisfied, head to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. Give it a moment to update, and that's it. Anytime you need to change prices in the future, you'll follow the same simple process. Keeping your product pricing accurate helps you stay organized, run promotions smoothly, and manage your store like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tutorials. Happy selling!